Condition trotters lined up for tonight's fourth race, Superfecta, field of 10, the run gate. And they're off. V6 fires up early from the center of the track. Zoli also left well to the inside. Maximan is on the gas early, as Mr. Justice came out well to protect inside position. A trot into that opening turn, Mr. Justice into back there from along the pylons as V6 continues to sweep up on the outside for Brinson. Zoli tucked into third early on in front of Maximan, who was away trotting in fourth. As they move towards that opening quarter, V6 was up to take over past the opening marker, 29 seconds. But now Boland is on the move with Zoli. And Zoli is strolling up to take over here. He's looking for his first career victory. Zoli on top now. V6 back in second with Mr. Justice along the cones in third. Maximan remains in fourth, 5 lengths clear of Delmont, who has been a bit sluggish early on in fifth. Granite Bay Valley remains in sixth in front of Hologram. Victoria Valley and Caribbean Dream are the trailers as they trot past the half, 58-3, 29-3 for that second quarter. Zoli is still on top here with a 3-length lead from V6 as a Maximan fires up on the outside for Tyler Smith. Delmont looks to follow that move now into fourth. Mr. Justice continues to save ground fifth in front of Granite Bay Valley. They trot back around that far turn. Zoli still with a 5-length lead. Maximan now into second. Delmont moves up on the outside into third. They trot past 3/4, 128-1. Delmont off stride. Delmont made a break at the top of the lane, so Zoli, things just got a lot easier here. Zoli is opening up now to a 10-length lead. Maximan is there in second. V6 out to the center, but it's all Zoli. Zoli has drawn clear here and is opening up with every stride. Granite Bay Valley shoots into second. Mr. Justice on the outside, but this one is all Zoli. Zoli dominates here in 157. Granite Bay Valley finished second. It was tight for third, either Mr. Justice or Delmont. Again, 157, time for the mile. Justice on